Hi, it's Ben from Machinery Partner. Today we're going to be showing you the ARK Krokodile Shredder. Built and manufactured in Italy, this machine is sold under a few different brand names and is rebranded by some notable manufacturers. The ARK Krokodile Shredder combines heavy-duty shredding power with a compact and mobile design, easily tearing through tires, wood, concrete, and basically any construction and demolition waste. It's perfect for reducing the size of the waste to take up less dumpster space, meaning you have to take less trips to landfill and you can save some money on transport costs or dumping. But before we go any further, make sure you like and subscribe to the Machinery Partner YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more equipment review videos just like this one. Roll that intro. Starting inside this machine, the side door panels can be opened for access to the engine and to fill the blue DEF tank here on the right hand side. This tank is also mounted on a hinge, allowing it to swing out of the way for access to the engine bay, oil filters or air filters. The access doors on each side of the machine are fitted with special self-locking hinges to keep the doors open, which is really useful when working on the inside of the machine, like on the exhaust and engine system shown here. Now onto the main control panel and levers. From here you can control the shredding shafts, the conveyors, the overband magnet, the angle of the machine, the gap between the shredding shafts, which way the shafts spin, and the raising and lowering of the machine. Whew, that was a lot, but don't worry, we'll show you everything in just a minute. The panel also displays important information like engine speed, oil temperature, and any error codes if a problem arises. There are a couple of outlets below the panel which allow for software upgrades and diagnostics. There's even a USB port for charging the wireless remote, or even your phone if you want to. Don't worry, we tested it for you. Starting up the Krokodile is really easy. First things first, the battery cutoff switch needs to be turned on to allow power to run to the control panel. Then you can turn the key to the first notch and let the diesel engine preheat. When the heating indicator light goes away, you can fully rotate the key to start the engine. Now back to the options for the shredder shaft. The control panel has a few built-in programs for materials such as wood, cement and recycling waste. The shredding shaft can run in a number of different ways. For example, running together, running opposite to each other, one running slower than the other, and reversing, allowing you to tune things to your use case. There's even a mode to help unclog the machine if something like rebar gets stuck between the shafts. If you're a more advanced user, the manual mode allows you to create your own custom program, controlling the speed and direction of each shaft independently. The Krok can be fitted with specific shafts depending on the material you're running. If you need some help choosing, just drop us a comment and we'll get right back to you. The ARK Krokodile comes equipped with a wireless remote which lets you track the machine back and forth, move the conveyor and raise the machine up and down from its working orientation into its compact mobile transport position resting on its frame. There's also a dog lead connection for the remote which can be used to track the machine back and forwards only. The tracks come fitted with rubber shoes every few track lengths. These help stop the tracks from tearing up concrete or asphalt as you're tracking the machine around. Taking a look at the conveyor, there is a shroud over the top of it, as a lot of the materials that you run through this machine can be light and might fly off the sides. During transport, the conveyor can also be hooked up with this chain to provide some extra security and peace of mind that it isn't going anywhere. Using a lever on the side of the machine, the overband magnet can be lowered hydraulically into place. It can also be raised or dropped depending on the type of material you're running, which is great for removing metal like rebar that might be inside of your material. At the back of the machine, there are two large shafts that run through either side. To change the output size, these shafts can be taken out completely and the side panels adjusted hydraulically with a lever on the side of the machine. These panels can be brought in closer or further away from the shredding shafts, which is what controls the size of the material falling out of the shredding chamber. Once adjusted, the shafts are put back in to lock the panels into place. Things like grease points and emergency stop buttons are located all around the machine and clearly marked. A tilting hopper can be added as an optional extra on this machine, which allows the hopper to help you push materials such as large pieces of wood into the shredding shafts. This machine is perfect for reducing the size of your waste material so you can fit more into a single dumpster. Think about tires. These take up a lot of space in a dumpster, but you could fit a bunch more in if you shredded them first. With this machine, you can shred tree stumps and wood waste, concrete with a mix of rebar in it, mixed demolition waste. This machine can basically eat anything that isn't entirely metal. And unlike something like a jaw crusher, you don't have to worry about dumping lots of fines into this shredder, and there's no need to pre-screen. And that's it for this machine. To find out more information on the ARK Krokodile shredder, get in touch today through our website, www.machinerypartner.com, where we also have a full range of crushers, excavators, screeners, conveyors, and more to suit every use case and budget. That's all for now, but if you want to see more videos like this one, we have plenty more equipment videos coming soon. Just make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, and YouTube will let you know when we post them. See you guys in the next one.